Hey guys, so a lot of times you might hear people refer to taking a snip of something or adding snips of things to your slides. So I just decided to make you a quick little video to show you how to do that. On your work computer, you have a snipping tool. So if you just hover down in that little search circle down there and start to type in snipping, it'll bring up the snipping tool. I like to keep mine pinned to my toolbar down here because I use it a whole heck of a lot. So if you right click on it, it'll give you an option to pin it to the taskbar if you think that's something you would like to do. When you use your snipping tool, I just click on mine down there to open it up. You click new, and you can just take a little snip of wherever you want on your screen. There are different pen options if you would like to circle things or draw arrows or, whatever you would like to do. From here, you can either do edit, copy, and you can just paste it right onto a PowerPoint slide, into an email, wherever. Or you can choose to save it if you would like to save the snip to your desktop or a folder or whatever for use later. Hope that helps, guys.